guys, happy Monday. Hopefully you had a great weekend. This is your agenda video for the 6th of April, and that is day 5. So we are going to go through and go over exactly what you need to do for today. Okay, so if we go to our extended closure schedule, we click on that. Hopefully you watch the Zoom video information that I posted on Friday. That went over a lot of things that you might have been confused about Google Classroom, since we didn't have that meeting. So hopefully you did go over that, and this kind of makes more sense for you. So day 5, we are going to do a do now. Okay, do now number 5. You're going to listen or read chapter 6, Ancient India and China. You're going to complete the checkpoints and complete the chapter checkup. So I'm going to go through all of them, how to get to every one. I'm actually going to switch my screen just because I want to make sure you can see exactly what you might see on your own page. Okay, so I'm going to really quick just exit out some of this stuff. Okay, so if I go to classwork and I go to do nows, okay, hopefully you did this on Friday after watching the Zoom video, but if you go to Zoom now, go to view assignment, and then you're going to click on your document that's already been started. Okay, this has already been started because you hopefully went back and started doing your do nows here. Okay, so this is your do now sheet. Day 5 is what was the ruler of Egypt called? That's super easy. That should be a review. What is the ruler of Egypt? What do they call him? Okay, what if it's not a king but a, okay, so write that down. Should be easy for you. Okay, if we go back, so we have do now. That's the first thing we needed to do. Second thing we needed to do is listen or follow along with ancient India and China. So ancient India and China here. Okay, that's chapter 6. These are going to be the readings. The next video will be a video of me reading those pages to you. Okay. After you are done that, you will do the checkpoints. Okay. Just to go over how to do the checkpoints again. Okay. This is your checkpoint page. You're going to click on the actual document. I know it's a lot of copying and pasting. I'm still working through the kinks just like you are. Okay, so we're going to copy, go back, go to create, document, that will come up with a blank screen, and that is where you're going to right click and paste. Okay, right click and paste. And then that is going to be where you're going to start answering them. Okay, remember, if you ever exit out, okay, if you exit out of this page here, it'll still be here, say like tomorrow, if you don't hand it in. Okay, so like if I click on it, it'll come back up. Everything that I just did on that page will still be there. When you are done your questions, make sure you push share so that way I can see that, okay, and I can give you a grade for it. And then the last thing you are to do today is the quiz, okay? So if we go down to assessments, you go to chapter 6 and you click on that form, okay? And you answer the questions. The next video will have me reading the chapter as well as reading the questions to you. So if you do that split screen where you have the video playing on this side or opposite whatever side, and then have the quiz on this side, that way you can use that video to go back to listen to the reading or go back and help you with the quiz. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure you comment on this video. I'm actually going to post exactly what you need to do on this video from now on. So that way, even if you don't watch the video, hopefully you do, because it's very important to understand how to maneuver through Google Classroom. But if you don't watch the video, you at least know what to do for today. Okay, hope you guys had a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. See ya.